Hello Nissan Skyline fans, again in cartoon form that is. Today we have a GTR R34 and it's got a photo shift color. So I looked up the packaging. Well, I bought this used so I don't have the packaging, but it said Maziora. And in Japan, the photo shift paint was branded Maziora. So if you look Maziora up, you'll find these images. So it's like a purple, green, gold kind of color shift. We take color shift paint for granted today, but back when this car was new in real life, color shift was fairly new. Alright, so how old is this toy now? It says 2001. Okay, so yeah, that was quite a while ago. So this is a wind-up pullback toy here. You can put a coin here and it'll do a wheelie. And there's the Maziora there. I thought it was Maziora, but that's a snake and it's supposed to be an eye. It says color tuned something Nippon right or I can't see it, but anyways, so that's some sort of paint company, I guess, and it says real Gimmick because I think this hood opens. I have a different casting and I think the hood opened. But I also think I lost a headlight in that other one. Where's my poster putty? Yeah. So there actually is a molded engine of sorts. It's not a sticker, which I've seen also. But that engine actually has a red and silver and black paint in it, so it's kind of neat. And alright, so it's got the R logo there in the grill. That looks alright. There's a nice cross hatch pattern as well in all the grill openings. Painted black, silver turn signals, and we have clear lensed headlights. Although this one looks cracked. I think this was literally played with by a child before. Recesses here. You can see here this bubbling. I almost think it could have been melted by some kid or something. The vent there was alright. The clear smoked plastic body and all this paint is on top of it. On the side we have a little black here in the mirror area. Maybe this had mirrors before, because what is this? Yep, this had mirrors at some point in time because there's a peg hole, but not anymore. I got this pretty cheap, so I'm not too sad about it. What I like is the wheels. These are actually molded for R34s, so these are specific to the car. The tire, I'm gonna have to replace that. The taillights are painted really nice, and the third brake light as well. The wing is a separate piece. The exhaust here is part of the base. Yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, standard construction of a screw and a tab there. So I definitely have to replace the wheels. Let me come back. I mean, not the tire there. Okay, so let's look at the other Choro-Q of the same casting. This one still has its mirrors, but I did replace the wheels with some Hot Wheels wheels. So it's a metallic blue. I definitely like the color shift more, but it's just been abused. Maybe I'll even, if I find that in better shape someday at a decent price, I'll probably get it again. Alright, this is actually a different Choro-Q, probably an older casting because the lights are just painted on. But it says SSR there, so, oh, it's from an initial D set. And so that set came out in around 1998, I think. But the taillights are really inferior, they're just red. So here's a different one now, and this one has the specific wheels, but they're silver. And you'll see the clear headlights are just part of the body. They're not separate inserted pieces like the first two. And this one, it doesn't say the date, it just says Nissan. So I have a suspicion this was actually sold at dealerships. So again, pretty crude taillights. So a couple other brands. I believe this is a Suntory Boss coffee freebie, but someone decaled it up. Someone made it the Fast and Furious car. There was a police light up here, but it's really well done, so I had to buy it. Good job, whoever made this thing. Different kind of deformation, as you can see. The greenhouse isn't so tall. This is by a company called CART, or C-A-R-T, and yeah, totally different deformation, but I like that it has side mirrors, and pretty decent printing all around, actually. Pretty good tampo prints. But it's huge. Look at it. It's much taller than the other ones. Alrighty, well, let's take a look at top view here. Yeah, boy, I'm gonna have to see If I ever see this again, I like this enough that I want to get it in good shape. So coincidentally, my 3D printer dealer gave me this for free. It was some sort of Pokemon, but it was raw plastic, so I painted it with a Color Shift Vallejo paint. So it's shifting purple and silver, or green and silver. Green, purple, silver. Anyways. Alright, well, didn't win, get the best model today, but I don't recall paying much for this. It was at a die-cast show. I paid a few dollars for it, so it's okay. Alright, thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll see a video of this in the second Nitzer variation form, that is, with actual side mirrors and no weird melt marks. Alright, until then, bye.